Hello, welcome back to LK Tuition. My name's Lucas and today we're going to be looking at metric conversions. Hope you're well and let's get started. Alright then, so first of all, what are metric units? Well, metric units are probably the ones that you recognise more easily than what we use most commonly. They're things like millimetres, centimetres, metres and kilometres for length. We've got millilitres and litres for liquids. And we've got milligrams, grams and kilograms for the mass of something. And what we can do is we can convert between these using powers of 10, so multiplying or dividing by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Alright, so let's just have a look at what those conversions actually are. So in terms of length then, we've got that 1 kilometre is 1000 metres. So here's just a general guide that should help actually. So if you ever see kilo in anything, that usually means 1000 and let's put large. Yeah, so it's 1000 and it's big. Yeah, so 1 kilometre is 1000 metres, so it's bigger than a metre. If you see milli, that usually means 1000 small. Okay, so for instance, 1 millimetre is 1,000th of a metre, so 1000 millimetres make up a metre. So if you ever see kilo, that means 1000 large, and if you ever see milli, that usually means 1000 small or 1 over 1000. And then the other one that we've got is centi. Now if you think that there are 100 years in a century, then that's going to be 100. And usually that's smaller than the actual thing as well. So for example, 1 metre is the same as 100 centimetres. Alright then, and this works with everything we've got here. So we've got that 1 kilometre is 1000 metres. And we've also got that 1 metre is 100 centimetres. And 1 metre is also 1000 millimetres. And then just that little conversion as well, that 1 centimetre is 10 millimetres. Alright, and then similarly, we've got that 1 litre is equal to 100 centilitres. You don't see that a lot, but sometimes in a question you might see centilitres. But 1 litre is 1000 millilitres as well, and 1 centilitre is equal to 10 millilitres. Alright, and then similarly, we've got that 1 kilogram is 1000 grams, and that 1 gram is 1000 milligrams. Alright then, so we're just going to use all of these conversion rates to do the following questions. Alright then, so number 1, it just says convert 6 kilograms into grams. So we know, let's just put the conversion rate. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So 6 kilograms is going to equal 6000 grams. Okay, so I've just times 6 by 1000. Alright, next one, we want to convert 450 centimetres into metres. Well, we know that 1 metre is 100 centimetres. So 450 centimetres, well this time we're going to have to divide it by the rate, divide it by 100, and that's going to be 4.5 metres. Like that. Right, next one, we want to convert 2.76 litres into millilitres. Well, again, 1 litre is 1000 millilitres. So 2.76 litres is going to be, if we times it by 1000, 2760 millilitres. Alright, and then number 4, so a bit more complicated. We've got 3.5 kilometres into millimetres. Okay, well let's turn it into metres first. So we know that 1 kilometre is 1000 metres. So 3.5 kilometres is going to be 3,500 metres. And then we want to turn that into millimetres. So again, we know that 1 metre is 1000 millimetres. Stick an extra 0 there. So 3,500 metres is going to be, well, we want to times that by 1000, so that's going to be 3,500,000 millimetres. Okay, so we've just done 2 conversions there. Alright then, so let's just finish off with a worded question. Feel free to... Okay, so we've got that Cole is 1.42 metres tall and his friend Dylan is 9 centimetres taller than him. How tall is Dylan? Give your answer in metres. Now we've got two measurements here. We've got 1.42 metres and we've got 9 centimetres. So we could convert the metres into centimetres so that they match, or we could convert the centimetres into metres so that they match. So there's two ways of doing it. Now the way to tell which one to do is in the end of the question. So it says give your answer in metres. So that means to me that I want to turn it all into metres. So let's do that then. So if we start with the centimetres, so 9 centimetres, if I divide by 100, it's 0.09 metres. Now he's 9 centimetres taller than Cole, so we want to add this on to 1.42. So 1.42 plus 0.09 is 1.51 metres. And that must be how tall Dylan is. So that was question 5. Alright then, and then if we have a look at question 6, so this says a 2p coin has a mass of 7 grams. Find the total mass of 80 pounds worth of 2p coins. Give your answer in kilograms. Okay, well we need to figure out how many coins there are then. Well, 80 pounds, well how many 2p's are in 1 pound? So 50, yeah, because 50 times 2 is going to give you 100p, which is 1 pound. So 50 times 2p is a pound. And then we want to times that by 80, don't we? So 50 times 80, because we want 80 pounds worth. Well, 5 times 8 is 40. And then we've got 2 more zeros, so that's 4,000. And then each of these weighs 7 grams. So we want to times this by 7. So 4,000 times 7 is 28,000 grams. But we want it in kilograms, so divide it by 1,000, that is 28 kilograms. And that's your answer. Alright, so I hope you found this useful. This has been LK Tuition. We'll be looking at imperial units next. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for some more maths videos.